Okay, I have 3 buckets full, and I didn't remove that much because there's 3 layers. There's the green layer, the blue layer, and the black layer. And the top layer you can just peel off. The nails are just stuck into the asphalt shingles, or not into the wood. So that's kind of scary because this whole thing could just peel right off in a good hard wind. Hopefully that will not happen. So here's the other thing. So you think, okay, so the bottom looked like that. Looks good, right? How could it be leaking? But yet over here, after the tear out, this is wet, this is wet. So probably this whole bottom board needs to be replaced like it did on the other side. That just goes to show you putting multiple layers on doesn't necessarily stop the leaking. And personally, I think the asphalt shingles, the multiple layers, just holds the water. So in an area like that now, which is over there, not over here, so that's not the cause of this, there's probably whole area is wet, I'm guessing. Okay, let's take a bunch of nails out, because we have the roofing nails to take out, and we need to take these slate. These are from the old slate. These are the square slate nails here, so they all need to come out too. And then where the rafters are, we'll find the good nails, which will also be square nails, but we'll be able to see the pattern. So it's going to take some time removing nails, but the buckets are full, so let's remove nails, and then I'm about out of time for this morning, and we'll resume tomorrow morning. Hopefully I'll get here earlier and have more time, because the quicker I get it off, the quicker I can get it all prepared for the aluminum. This will be aluminum here. I plan on doing slate up there, so it'll be a combination of slate and aluminum on this roof is what I envision. Okay, let's remove some nails and then call it a morning. Got to get to my other job then.